upper and lowercase functions. To do the lowercase function in Python, we first go to brackets and make any variables, for example, my name, and assign it by a string such as Jeff, and make sure the first letter is a capital letter. Then print my name dot lower and put 2 brackets. After that, save the file and try a terminal and see what it's gonna print for us. As you can see here in the screen, Jeff became small letter because we used lower function. Okay, so right now go ahead and try upper by the same way that we use for lower. Then save the file and try on terminal again. As you can see here, Jeff became capital letters when we use the upper function. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.